Let's find sub sounds. Let's start with that. And let's work our way from there. Alright? So there's one already that I gotta record. Oh, you guys are already ready. Jake and Amir got stale real fast for me. Jake and Amir they do a lot of like almost meme humor, right? Where a lot of repetitive jokes. So if you're not into that, it can probably get stale. But I mean, I love that. That's what like, I'm pretty sure you guys understand that I'm obsessed with like, somehow for me, repeating something over and over makes it funnier. They did switch things up though.
Wrap it up!
Okay, so this one, maybe. Hold on, let me just. Where I put this. Sub sounds. 2020. Okay, who's got one? Let me see. Combo breaker. Combo breaker. Sub sound.
Objects that I've shoved up my ass. Vibrators. Dildos.
Maybe if doesn't he say cocks at one point? We could use just that part, right? Stiff cocks.
Stiff cocks. Stiff.
Let's take this part.
Stiff cocks.
Wow, I am so grown up.
Cigar. Banana.
I fucking love bananas. Pebbles. Do coins?
Fishing rod handle. Umbrella. Objects that I've shoved up my ass.
Christmas edition? Oh my god.
No, I don't think so. It's not grow up so much of job. This you have a nivå.
Fucking boomer.
And I think we have problem just with
this guy talking about how immigrants don't have enough education to get a job in this country, and he's saying it in the most fucking busted, broken ass English ever.
the invasion from other countries.
Right.
And these people have no education to take job so much here. So at
those glasses.
I think they must went back to Europe again and give me a job, give me a job.
In Sweden. All right, sub sound. A Vittu. This is a great clip. Okay, that's pretty funny. I'm gonna get it. Wait, I want the sound of the compressor. Oh, I can't do it here. What does that mean? I understand it's a bunch of curse words, right? Satana, that's like Satan. The Vittu is like fuck or something, right? That hurts. Yeah, it's not a great sub sound, but it's fucking funny. Okay, what else you got? Ah! Okay, this one only works if I show the video like Poke does. Why is it called Canadian football?
Oh, hey. Good meme.
Good meme. I wish he would pronounce it better. It almost sounds like he's saying good me.
Hey. Good meme.
Inside the palace.
No, right inside.
Oh god, I know what he's gonna say.
Ning, what is your problem, man?
I don't know.
Ning,
Name! What is your problem, Name? Wait.
Ning, what is your problem, man?
Fade this out here. Okay, this could work, chat. Fade out. Name, what's your problem? Bam, bam, bam. I want you to fucking my wife, fucking my wife.
Let's get this out onto a tray.
Nice.
Nice. Nice. Oh boy, check that out. Nice. Looking good. Nice. Let's get this out on a tray.
I don't know. This isn't. I've never watched this guy on my stream. I don't think.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Nice. Oh, that's why. American football. Oh. Buch.
You just don't have to have that.
These guys again?
Is that you? Is it not? How's Jimmy? That kind of thing.
That's a challenging wank.
That's pretty funny.
Holy smoking Toledos.
If the audio quality was a bit better. Whoa, volcano eruption power comparison.
This video is
At NymN's subsound Kuma.
No. This is too on the nose. What?
Oh god, I'm gonna
No.
made possible with Vikings. Did you know one of the largest volcano eruptions in human history occurred when Vikings first entered Iceland 9480? Speaking of Vikings, there's a really awesome game called Viking War Clans.
Yeah. Oh.
Edison played together. Now onto the main part of the video.
We forgot, chat. L underscore. Deadliest eruption in Japan. Whoa. Cataclysmic. Once every 2 years. Oh, I remember this one. Eyjafjallajökull. I remember that when that was a thing. Deadliest eruption of the 20th century. 30,000 deaths. Once every 12 years, this one erupts. Just put like a cork in the top so the fire can't come out. St. Helen. Oh my goodness, chat. Where's Yellowstone at? The first major eruption since Vikings conquered Iceland. Colossal. Once every 100 years. And it's tomorrow. Largest eruption of the 20th century. Krakatoa. That's the software. It created 40-meter high tsunami. Explosion created the loudest sound ever recorded, 310 dB. Once every 1,000 years. Almost a third of the Sea of Japan is covered by ash. 80k deaths. Whole volcano exploded. The year without summer. Do you guys think Yellowstone is bigger than these? Or is Yellowstone not even big enough to be... I have... Ow. It's bigger? What the fuck is going on with the audio? This video is poorly made.
Meme. Very important. As you requested in DMs, here is 50 more minutes of stalling for you.
What?
Love you, Zoxo.
There it is, Yellowstone. Wait, look at this. The most deadly Yellowstone eruption ever recorded. What's tephra? But it's not the biggest, chat. La Gareta. Greta. 5,000 times more powerful than the Tsar Bomba. And then we all died. Oh, you guys couldn't see that? I'm sorry. There you go. That was the final one. La Gareta. Gareta Thunberg. How dare you? Okay, Nym, very important. As you requesting DMs, here's 50 more minutes of stall. I don't need 50 minutes of...
He is back.
Wait, he's back? Wait, what? I didn't know that. You missed the last one? I don't think I did. Oh, I did. Io hyper eruption. The most explosive and largest eruption in the solar system. Visible with a telescope pointed at Jupiter's moon Io. The eruption occurs so frequently that the moon is yellowish red. And we all die. Fuck, I really want to watch this. But this is a lot of stalling now, chat. React to it now. Who wants to watch this? Is it good? It's got upvoted. Only one guy downvoted. Watch it, watch it. This week has been a week of not much gameplay, but maybe that's okay. I really want to watch it though. Wait, should we wrap up the sub sounds first? And then do this? Yeah, I'm sorry, Gameplay Frogs. But I have a funny game I'm gonna play tomorrow, though. Yeah? Okay. Is that a deal? Okay, firm handshakes on that one? Okay, send me some more sub sounds first. Let's check them out. What do you have here?
Hand off my penis! This is the bloke who got me on the penis before. Get some colour. Why did
I don't know about that. Fuck.
What a joker.
Angiosimus.
Sure.
What a joker.
Angiosimus. 7
Stupid lady. Stupid man costume. Remember, the best sub sounds are usually the reactionary ones.
Squat W, fuck woman, fuck woman.
I already have one like this with Train.
Weeps detected. Start fucking numbing. Fucking detected. Weeps detected.
Okay, right here, right? We could do this.
Weeps detected. Start fucking numbing.
Okay, we gotta wrap it up.
Weeps detected. Start fucking numbing.
We'll fade this part out. Maybe like this.
Fucking numbing.
Yeah, that works. Num. 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 Viet. Num.
Fucking trash. Ecstasy sample.
I already have an Epic Donut sub sound where he goes, feels dank, man. Nice. No, I don't want that. That's nasty.
It's going down!
Oh shit, this one's good.
It's going down! Ah, this motherfucking bootleg fireworks shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
I don't know if it's useful as a sub sound, but God, I love this. Ludwig.
Reminder that predators are weird champ. Reminder that
if it was cut better.
Fucking
Okay. Do I need to start pulling these on the other screen? Come on, man.
Listen to the sound of my voice. Close your eyes.
Forsen used to use that sub sound, by the way.
Close your eyes.
I'm sorry, dude.
You just listen.
I'm so distracted. Okay.
You gotta close your eyes.
They're closed.
And listen. Cockpog. Listen.
What the fuck? Okay, hold up.
Close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes.
They're closed.
And listen. Cockpog.
Distracted. Okay.
Hold
Close
on.
your eyes.
I'm
Listen.
gonna cut Wreckful out of this sample. I think it's better that way. No, I love you, Wreckful. That came out wrong, but
Listen to the sound of my voice. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I'm sorry, dude.
And just listen.
I'm so distracted. Okay.
You gotta close your eyes.
They're closed.
And listen. Cockpog.
Why does he say that? Chat made him say that?
So distracted. Okay.
Cockpog.
I'm
Why Poggo?
Close your eyes.
I'm sorry, dude.
And just listen. Just listen.
Can I make this happen?
Close your eyes. Just listen.
How do I move something now in this thing? Can I move this? Ah! No. Shit.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes, chat.
Close your eyes. Just listen. Cockpog.
That works, right?
Close your eyes. Just listen. Cockpog.
Cockpog. All right.
What are you doing?
Why was this clip named?
Listen.
Why is this clip named Emily Rinuado Heart, by the way? Jaco Vasari, Prime, 22 months. When will you go to Korea, Nym? I don't know. I can't do any long trips until I figure out how to have someone deal with my cat.
Sharp! 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 He's sharp! Listen! Listen! Your mother call you! Your mother is call you! Listen! Right Listen! It's your mother! It's your mother!
Toxic!
It's your mother!
Heard this? ZULUL.
Zilul, what is this?
Welcome to Uganda. Productions Uganda.
Ganga line.
All of the best movies. Hello.
Hello.
I hope you enjoy the Captain Alex.
Huh.
Step for Bad Blood. VJM in the MIC. Wakaribu Studios in Atete, Uganda. Action is coming.
Hi there, Cocky. Hi. Where am I? This is pretty well made.
A little research. To know what homosexuals do in their privacy of their bedroom.
Right?
One of the things they do is called anal
Feasting.
leaking. And then
Anal leaking.
They eat like ice cream, like this. This is what they do. This is what they enjoy it.
Now it's time for Petrarare. Action is coming.
Rum, rum.
Action, action, movie. Subaru.
This is really good. How did I miss this? Cancer TV. Feels good, man.
Action, movie. Subaru.
This is my only issue with the song. Is that you clearly did not put the gloss in like the correct note. They're not normalized to C or whatever. Otherwise, it's so good. Swaz. Hey. Fuck.
Where's the gun? It's a big heist. The winner takes it all. Now it's time to see.
Okay, we gotta wrap this up. What is this?
Hey!
Guys, these are sub sounds I'm supposed to be having. Okay, they're supposed to come on.
Cock and ball torture from
They
Wikipedia.
only have-
That's true. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's pretty true.
Pujas, gas.
Okay, you guys are linking weird stuff.
Kyle, you cocksucker! You don't give a shit!
Does this work as a sub sound?
Let me see. Thank you, Anonymous. Hot chubby. Also, Eposec, 10 months. Thank you so much for the double digits and welcome back. She was hanging out with Fusli. Hot chubby is the master networker. Holy shit. She's been hanging out with every single LA streamer.
Is sarcasm popular in Korea?
Oh yeah, sarcasm. Do you know that word?
What is it?
Oh.
Short? Oh no.
Short?
Sarcasm.
Short cregasm.
That's pretty good. Maybe this part. Hold on. Oops.
Oh.
Short? Oh no.
No, sarcasm.
Short cregasm.
But I'm not sure.
No,
but I'll save it. I'd rather save one too many than, you know. I like this cocksucker one as well. I like the way he says it.
Kyle, you cocksucker! You don't give a shit, and I've been sitting around getting sick of your attitude! You fucker! You fucking bitch!
Whoa. Dude, I love Tenacious D. Do they still make stuff?
You don't give a shit! You fucking... You fuck...
I did the emote. Thank you for the 9 months, dude. I have no idea how to pronounce your username, but thank you so much. And welcome back. Dum dum da dum da 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 da. Why you sigh?
Not your cake faggot.
Bro, what are you doing? It's
What you say?
The problem is they're so loud. These. I don't know if I'm gonna.
Why'd I do that? That was not worth the pogs.
What a wonderful phrase.
This is our favorite song, chat.
Hakuna Matata.
Ain't no passing craze.
Oh my god.
No worries for the rest of your days.
Put the cookie down.
Put the cookie down! Now!
That's Scream.
Get over here and service your DI's cock.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Can we do anything but cocks? Floor, thank you for the 18 months. Welcome back. Ow. I don't want to have ear rape sub sounds except for the tier 3 ones. Guess that's what we could do, but. This is good shit. This battle is so good. I need to rewatch these movies, man. Okay. What?
Try hard.
Fine.
Try hard.
It doesn't. It sounds like it says try hard. You know? Not try hard, but all right. I'm gonna say try hard. That's what I'm gonna say. This one, Pago?
Oh, curva.
I don't know.
Yeah, I screamed. Yeah.
That was so random.
Löytyikö marsjäätelö patukoita? No vittu ei!
Oh my goodness! Stop! Okay, 1948. I'm not clicking any more of your links. This one would be good for poke.
Bag up, bag up. Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord. Lord, Jesus. Oh,
Terry.
Lord. Oh,
He has it.
Jesus. What you doing, Terry? Terry, what you doing?
Terry, back up.
Subaru, 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 Subaru.
Fuck it, let's do it. Okay.
Subaru, 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 Subaru.
Does anyone here drive a Subaru? Subaru? It's like, it's one of those brands that's kind of, you don't see it that often. At least I don't. Subaru.
Magic Missile Fields Dankman.
Huh?
Now it's time for the final battle.
Dum 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 dum.
Magic missile! Magic missile! Magic missile! Magic missile!
No, I don't want this.
Magic missile!
I'm not clicking your shit,
Magic
1948.
I'm out of mana. I need a.
And I know the URL now. I know it ends in LA, so I know that you're actually linking the same thing again. 1948.
You think you can graduate from this school without kissing my cock?
At least one part of the song has to be a sub sound.
Really? Let me see. True. Maybe the chorus, huh? Oh, we should do conga line. Oh, let me see. Oops. This part, fade this in. And then we can fade it out from here, I think. Should make for a good sound. Thank you, Grandma. This song is unironically a banger, dude. The melody is really good. Thank you, Grandma. Hold on. Let me get conga line here real fast. Maybe we use the intro. Which part of conga line do we use? Just this part, maybe?
You have to make a conga line for this one. This one is madness.
Do we just use this? Or should I use the actual song? I don't even know. Like, what does this sound like?
You have to make a conga line for this one.
Should I use that part, or should I use when they actually start? Maybe this is better. Hey. Kanga. The whole song. Okay, let me see. Use this part. Okay, this should be pretty good. This should be a good sub sound. Conga line. Get inside of the line. Get inside of the line. You have to make a conga line.
After that, I've got another Jelly Cooper. How you get on with that Udara's wins then? That's really good.
Shut your fucking mouth!
No problem, Charlie.
Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
That's pretty good. Stuff like this is always fun. Because I'm usually on a rant, you know?
Shut the fuck up, you cunt! Shut the fuck up, you cunt! Shut the fuck up, you... Shut it!
Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. Here we go.
Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
Toxic. Okay, I got it. Pepe Jam. No nice beaver memes in here, dude. Holy shit.
Wide harder.
I knew it. I fucking knew it.
Wide harder.
Not. I love this clip.
It's ridiculous, I tell you that. Never once has he done that before in my entire life. Absolutely ridiculous.
And then this outfit, or styling. Ridiculous.
What are you two doing? Get your ass down from here now, boy! And you two,
Oh my god.
what the hell are you...
Okay, why is it you guys keep linking the same, right? Maybe I keep clicking the same thing. Trying to...
Where's the money, Lebowski?
That one's better with the video. I'm not using the video. What the?
Hey there. I didn't see you. Came in by surprise. Is that it?
Yeah, that's good.
What the fuck? Where's this from?
Tú eres un normal, o te callas o te mato, eh? I killed you! I killed you! Shit! Shit! Shut up! Shut up or me kill... Okay, English, English. For you. Toma English, un normal.
Fucking tense.
Shut up or me kill... Okay, English. Shut up or me kill... Okay, English.
I could use this part, I guess. Shut up or me kill. Puta! I want the web, I want the wine. I want the web, I want the wine. Pokebase?
Wait a tweet. Wait a second, dude. Pokimane just landed in London.
If I was Greek X, I could use this, but... He does this so well. That is really good. The spin on the chair. The perfect way it fills it out. So good. Does he still vape?
It's okay like that, no?
We don't need police. He has a dick.
Ah, he has a dick? Okay, we're not called to police if you fuck us.
Your feelings change like the weather. Went from clear to gray. All that time of day. How can I go on with the
Oh my god. Why? Okay, I don't understand. Why even bother having this shitty acting? Isn't it better to just do the porn? Like, who's gonna watch that and be like, thank God I watched the initial story before the sex? that really gave me the immersion I needed to like emotionally connect with these people. Like when the acting is that bad, who even needs to watch it? Right? Do a lot of you guys actually check out the whole plot of a porno? I feel like there's two types of people in the world. The people who watch the plot and the people who don't. Mr. Pakina, thank you for the prime. Girls? I feel like it's mostly maybe girls who do it, but maybe I'm wrong, you know? Or whoever's into foreplay a lot. That's the people who watch the plot. I hope my mom isn't watching my stream. Skipping lore.
Feel free to watch the rest of the video, but this part could be
What
good.
lore? It's trash. It's the same story in each and every single one. It's the stepmother or the stepsister, and they really shouldn't be doing this, and yet they do it. Right? Or it's a real estate agent who is ridiculously good looking. Feel free to watch the rest of the video, but this part could be good. Firestorm, thank you for the 21 months. Bruce USA, what is this?
That's great, isn't it?
Sure is. I just came.
Okay, that's pretty good. Spring Venus 200 bits. Hold on, I'll check it. But first.
That's great, isn't it?
Sure is. I just came.
I just came to say I
Pick up a pack
you.
of SkyCorp condoms today and go fuck yourself. Now available in sandpaper.
What? Hold on, let's just watch the whole thing.
Hi, I'm Ken Butterscotch, and I used to be worried about going out. But now, I feel confident and safe. Because I'm wearing a condom.
SkyCorp condoms
Oh, I
provide
get it now.
extra strength, so there's absolutely no leakage.
Sandpaper.
Now you can go about your day
On the inside and
fully
outside.
protected.
Whew, lovely weather we're having.
Oh, I know. It's great, isn't it?
Sure is. I just came.
Dude, imagine sandpaper textured condoms. Sprung Venus, thank you. Let's use this as a tier 3 sub sound, yeah? Look at that sausage. I bet it's one of you guys fucking controlling that boat. Loving every second of that. BitConnect! Tier 3 dude. That's what I'm gonna name that. I want that web, I want that wine. I want that web, I want that wine. Hey.
Alice, it seems we both got autism, haven't we?
Is it in poor taste to use this sample?
Well, Alice, it seems we both got autism, haven't we?
Yeah.
Well,
No, yes, yes,
that's
no.
good to know.
No, yes, yes, no. Let's just err on the side of being PC and not use it.
I kind of want to watch this as well, okay? You see what I'm saying?
Oh.
PP Hands, thank you for the $30, Doc.
Wait.
PP Hands, PP Hands, thank you for the $30, Doc.
PP Hands. Oh, the tiniest little hands.
PP Hands, thank you for the $30. PP.
I should add this as a sound if someone ever donates $30. That's what I'm gonna use this for. That and only that. It cuts off. We can reverb this shit.
PP Hands, thank you.
Oh, it doesn't. Okay, never mind.
PP Hands.
Oh no, now it's reverbed. Oh.
PP Hands.
Okay, $30. If you guys ever donate $30, I think it plays reggae right now if someone donates $4.20. Not baiting or anything, but you know, who knows?
Vegeta, yappa so datta.
Nope. I want that web. I want that.
You get there in a room like, has anyone done this test or is this me?
Dude, I watched Trainwrecks a tiny bit before I went live today. And the first thing he said was like, Nym, I want to fly out to Sweden or Norway or Switzerland or whatever. I want to stand next to you and I want to pull down my pants. I want us both to stand and look each other deep in the eye as we stand in front of each other naked. That's what he said when I tuned in. I'm like, oh, okay. So it's one of those days.
You're literally at your friend's house. There's 8 of you. Right? I can remember a different time, right? Like, it was more like, right? Like, your friends would, like, you know, you go with your friends, 8 of...
NYMN scamming again, skeptical smiley
Why would
face.
you do 21? No, idiot.
Of you would turn on gay porn, and whoever got a boner first would, like, lost, right? Obviously, it's politically incorrect now, but, like, that's what we used to do, right?
Wait.
You got a boner first, 8 of you... Your friends would, like, you know... You go with your friends, 8 of you would turn on gay porn, and whoever got a boner first would, like, lost, right?
Okay, that is actually good. This reminds me of that when he says go, you switch.
You go with your friends.
I haven't added it
work yet?
No, I haven't added it yet. You madman. 30 buckaroos? Jesus. You shouldn't have done that. Thanks, though.
Please react Fossen JOY.
Reactin. Hold up.
Like, you know, you go with your friends, 8 of you would turn on gay porn, and whoever got a boner first would, like, lost, right? Obviously, it's politically incorrect now, but, like...
Hey, dude, thank you so much, the Pac-Man, though, for the $30. I'm assuming you did that out of being nice and not because you thought you'd get that back. It's not a scam, guys. I haven't added it yet. I just recorded it.
Got a boner first would, like, lost, right?
I'm not...
Boner first, lost, right? Lost, right?
I lost. Okay, there you go.
You go with your friends, 8 of you would turn on gay porn, and whoever got a boner first lost, right?
Okay, that works.
Still scamming feels weird, man.
Hey, thank you for the donos, but stop it. You're doing it the wrong way, guys. Oh my god. Y'all are crazy. Y'all are so silly today. Do you ever wake up and you just feel really, really silly? That's you guys today.
Fucking shit!
I would want the video of him as well, I think, or it's kind of whatever. Streamer dances to a viewer. What the?
Anime thighs when she opened up so wide, I got a twinkle in my eye. Asian pussy is so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got them big ass titties, she's only 5.
That's a scam for sure.
You guys are stupid. Wait, you got a custom thingy though, Mary Marian. You still got a nice little thing. Thank you for the 5. Thank you so much.
Perkele, siihen koskessa.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Perkele, siihen koske, saatana vie.
But that's gonna leave me with 2 finish sounds. Perkele! I'm not gonna maybe add all of the ones that I'm recording, by the way. What happens when an emote hits the meme target? This can be a tier 2 sub sound. This is the kind of shit that's gonna be played when there's an alien invasion, chat. Alright. I can't
What Dr. Disrespect's talking about is some pain deliverance. And if you wanna approach me, I'll be real serious with you.
2011.
Approach
He's been wearing this outfit for a long time. This stupid man costume.
You suck my cock.
We already have one of these now.
Fucking cocksuckers. No, we will not listen.
We have a lot in common, actually.
We should just have, hello, they are British, can you stop? Should we just have that as a sub sound?
Fart in your general direction. Your mother was a hamster, and your father smelt of elderberries. And your father was a...
This is a good insult. I fart in your general direction.
General direction. Your mother was a hamster, and your father smelt of elderberries.
Is there someone else up there we can talk to?
No, now go away or I shall taunt you a second time.
A tama.
Oh, he tried it.
This one's too overplayed, man. Damn, boy.
Damn, boy, he's thick, boy. That's a
Not working
thick
how I
ass
wanted to.
boy.
I remember when Greek made music.
Lower your BMI. How?
He figured it out, chat. You guys are stupid. Wait, you got a custom thingy though, Mary Marian. You still got a nice. Okay, maybe we're done with this because now we're doing stupid shit.
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
Yep.
I can do this. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Not that one.
Yep.
Yep. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Yep. Yep.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Cool.
As you may know, I am a homosexually.
Oh, that's pretty easy. Pre-6. Monster cock chat spam. Cock. I like saying cock. Cock. It's just cock. I like saying cock. Monster cock chat spam. Cock. I like chat spam. Cock. I like chat spam.
Okay, this could work. Actually, let's use the whole thing.
Monster cock chat spam. Cock. I like saying cock. Cock. It's such a hard cock. Cock. I like saying cock. Moist. Cock. It's just moist. Cock. 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 Moist. God, I love saying.
Okay. No.
L-O-L, what's they spell? Holy fuck, is this wrong?
Oh my god, I'm.
The free
Oh, that was a sub. I was confused. Like, where's everything coming from? Red Chips Wizard. Thank you for the Prime, man. Thank you. Welcome back.
Porco Dio. He's fucked that one.
Porco Dio.
Fuck wrong with y'all?
No.
Abaka!
Okay. I just say random shit when I'm angry.
Yeah, shot.
Yeah, there's one already.
Dear liberals, please come to my birthday party. My mom made pizza rolls, and I have Call of Duty on my PlayStation.
Holy shit. That's funny. Thanks, Apollo Whiteheart. Oh my god. Ah, this is a good sample.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
That is a good expression. Review, brah. He's good. I do like me some review, brah. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up soon, I think.
Die Wohnung bleibt so, wie sie ist!
Bleib doch ruhig!
Nein, das heißt doch nicht Schnauze!
Scheiße!
Robert, der Ticker!
I don't even know what he's saying, man. Here we go. One for the collection.
Perfect. Another good job well done.
Actually, put the gun down. Quit pointing that at
You
people.
made this.
Dude, have some safe gun etiquette. Don't point at me. Because, hey, I have 2 guns too.
Sadge.
What the hell do you boys think that this is? Fucking fans? Put it on your videos,
knees like a pack of fucking fruits? You two obviously want to suck what a real man has, so get down on your knees and suck every last drop of my cum until my dick is drained.
How do the Gachi hypers appear at the same time? Ooh, hoo, hoo. 300k views. Fucking hell.
Cock and ball torture from Wikipedia. The fiance.
Okay, screw this, y'all. That's enough collecting. All right, getting the conga line instead. All right, we're done for now. Let's chill.